welcome to my aromatherapy course. My name is Perren-Jones. I'm the owner of the award-winning Isla Verde Spa. Now, in this course, by the time you complete it, you will know a ton of information when it comes to aromatherapy and essential oils. The course is like this. We start off with the basics, what to look for when buying essential oils, how to store them, what's their particular shelf life. We're going to look at what categories blend better with other categories. We're also going to look at precautions, dilution rates, and everything that's important to get you a good basic level. Then we're going to move on and we're going to look at blending by the notes so you can make beautiful perfumes, bouquets. We're going to look at stimulating blends, which are the oils that are soothing, which are antifungal, antibacterial, and we're going to look at all of that. And then with all of that information, then you're going to be able to start making your own beauty products, your own bath salts, foot scrubs, your own natural deodorant, and so on and so forth. And then we're also going to look at is pain relieving blends. Make your own tiger balm, for congestion, your own vapor rub. And we're also going to look at cleaning your house chemically free. Make your own powdered laundry detergent, your own all natural purpose sprays, and so on and so forth. We're going to have so many things that you can take all this information and have a chemical free lifestyle with chemical free products for your body and also cleaning your house as well. So let's get started.